With the bird dog car, we're going to get the upper body and lower body moving together. While we're doing this, we're isolating the movement around the hip and the shoulder. So keep that core nice and strong and make sure that we're not arching our back. So we're going to start in that all fours position. So once again, throughout the range of motion, we're preventing this motion, this movement. Don't overextend the back. Keep that belly engaged. We'll start opposite arm, opposite leg. As the leg moves forward, bring that opposite arm out to the side, nice and controlled, keeping everything on a nice level plane. This will help mobilize the different muscles through the glutes, as well as prepare your shoulder for any activity.